Guys, welcome back to yet another video of top 5 favorites for 5 days, and I will be covering up my current top favorite makeup removers, so please keep on watching. There are different kind of makeup removers that I use to clean up my makeup, and I'm currently loving them all. Before starting with the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do click on that notification bell so that you can get regular updates. I hope you are loving this series, and in no particular order, I'll start with the makeup cleansers. The first one in my top 5 list is this one. It's the Simple Kind to Skin Eye Makeup Remover. This is what the bottle looks like. Packaging is there for the simple micellar water, and that also works absolutely fine, just like this one. Especially for eyes, if you want to remove any kind of glitter or mascara, this is bomb. You will get clean eyes without hurting them and without getting them red. That is the reason why I'm loving this, and mostly all of them are affordable. No makeup remover that I will be showing will be more than 550 rupees. So this one is 125 ml and it costs 375 rupees, which comes under our budget. Next I have in the list is a cleansing cream, and it's from Face Shop. It's the Face Shop Herb Day Cleansing Cream. This is in the fruit mix variant. It was a full tub, and this is how much I've used, and this is not like my first tub. These work absolutely fine. Scoop out some of the product, clean your face with it, and remove with any microfiber cloth or even any cloth or napkin for that matter, and you will get your makeup removed in one go. It's not harsh on your skin. This is a 150 gram of tub, and it costs rupees 399, which is really reasonable, as you can get minimum 50 uses out of it. Next I have a micellar water with me, and it's the Nivea Micelle Air Micellar Cleansing Water. It's really sensitive on the skin. It's for your face, eyes as well as lips, and it's a huge ass bottle. There is like 400 ml of quantity, and it costs just 375 rupees. So that is like, you can use this like around, you will get around what, 100 plus uses out of it, and it will not cost you much more. What I generally do, if I don't use a cotton pad, I take a microfiber towel, squirt some of the product, then remove my makeup with it, and it does the job. Being it a drugstore product and making your skin clean without irritating it, it's a yay. Makeup remover that I have in the list is a cleansing balm. To be honest, I've never used a cleansing balm. The cleansing balm that I wanted to talk about is this Plum E Luminance Cleansing Balm. This is a huge ass tub that it looks like, and this is what the product, it has this plastic spatula with it so that you can easily scoop out the product, and almost this product is enough to clean your whole face as well as neck. This balm will melt once you will scoop it out on your hands, and then when you will clean your skin, the makeup will be removed. This one is for 550 rupees, and you get 90 gram of the product. I think considering the quantity, the price is not that high, and absolutely loving it. Last one in the list of the makeup remover, I have something that I've been using it since I started using micellar water. This was my first makeup remover micellar water, and it's the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Absolutely love it. Even the oil based also, the yellow cap one as well as this pink one, it's too good. I mean, this 50 ml of product also gives 25 uses. Makes your face squeaky clean after using it. Don't need to cleanse your face again, though I always love to double cleanse. If you have applied any light makeup, just like a tinted sunscreen or a tinted balm, then you can simply use this micellar water and you will be good to go. A bigger bottle of this with 400 ml bottle costs 350 or 375, so that is also under our budget, and it's too good. So I will stop using the Garnier micellar water. I've been using it for 5-6 years and have been absolutely loving it. This ends up my top 5 favorites in makeup remover category. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it. Have a nice day. Mwah. See you tomorrow.